Hi everyone, let's look at all the principles of projection geometry. So there are basically 5 super easy principles to see, and अगर किसी ने phone में camera में photo खींची है, then it will be very easy to understand, to correlate basically. So here we have a focal spot that is a source of radiation. We can correlate it with the phone ka camera, and the object would be anything that you are clicking photos of. So in this we have object as a tooth, and the receptor, that is the film that we are going to keep behind the object. So ये तीन चीज़ें पता होनी चाहिए, the focal spot, the object and the film. So basically how the arrangement is, I'll show you. First we have an X-ray source, that is a focal spot. Then we have our object, that is the tooth, and behind that we keep a film, image receiver. So what does the principle say? I'll show you diagrammatically. ये rays निकल रही है इसमें से, and it's going to the object, and the image is falling onto the film. So the principle states that the focal spot, that is the source of radiation, should be as small as possible. So everything about the focal spot will be discussed in details in the upcoming video, so stay tuned. And second is the focal spot and the object distance should be as long as possible. अगर हम देखते हैं कि अगर हम we are clicking photos from a camera, and अगर हम बहुत पास लेके जाओ, obviously इमेज बड़ी आएगी. We don't want that. We want कि जैसा ऑब्जेक्ट है in real life वैसे ही वो फिल्म पे हमें दिखे, और at least close to it. So it has to be as long as possible, and the object and the film distance should be as small as possible. The long axis of the object and the film should be parallel. So the film ka plane and the object ka plane, that is a tooth, should be parallel to each other. And fifth one is the X-ray beam should strike the object as well as the film on the right angles. Okay, it should be perpendicular. So the thing that you should remember is, to be honest, this diagram. This is how it perfectly represents the 5 principles, and that's how you're gonna keep it in your mind. It's very easy, comes as an SAQ, I guess. It's also a Viva question. So it's nothing much, it's just basically a pure logic, and someone who has used phones since their childhood, it's very easy to understand.